Hey guys, I'm doing a combination of workload and school and blah 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 blah. And to top it all off, I had an allergic reaction today. So if I look like I've been crying, that's why. Anyway, Friendly Jordies has done an update on this whole situation. So, on the 3rd of June 2021, Paul Svealands of Mark O'Brien Legal served me a statement of claim that, in my view, was defective. Late with laden errors. The day after, on the whim of Paul's client, my employee Christo was violently arrested and his family assaulted for merely attempting to correct Paul's errors. After being imprisoned, Christo was released only to be placed under the most draconian bail conditions that prohibited him from even working on my defense. I didn't have a team of lawyers immediately ready to go to defend myself against any of these obscene abuses of the legal system instigated by John Barilaro. After all this, Barilaro's barrister Sue Crisantho, who's also Christian Porter's ex-barrister, is complaining that I filed my defense 3 days late. In my view, this is a disgusting and disingenuous stalling tactic that only serves to highlight the desperation of John Barilaro and his legal team, who appear to be too afraid to fight my defense on its merits. So that was a statement by Jordan. Feel free to discuss it down below. I do have something else to talk about on this, but I probably will wait till tomorrow, just when I'm feeling a bit better, because, apparently I'm allergic to surgical face masks, so there's that. Okay, bye!